Hey family, it's Kavina. I pray that your day is going well, and if not, you know what to do. Just keep pressing anyway and keep believing. Hey, I just wanted to come on and share my 6-month hair transplant update. I'm going to be showing you the front. I'm going to be showing you the back with the donor area as well, where the hair was removed from, and let you see how that is growing. And let's see if we can find the suture line. So let's play a little game. Find that suture line, okay? So if you're interested, please stay tuned, and I'll be right back. With my hand a little bit, and then I'm gonna move my hand out the way so that we all can see, okay? And right here, this is just a party area that I can tell where the hair was transplanted from, this area, from the part on forward, okay? So this is the left side, and this is how the hair is growing so far right here. This is the hair there, and this is the hair here from the left side. Here's the front. This is what it's looking like, okay? I'm trying to brush up the super long pieces so we can be accurate in what I'm showing. Okay, look. Here we go. This is what it's looking like. Pretty good, huh? Like I said, chip it. So yeah. And this is what it's looking like here. This is what it's looking like. And I'm trying not to pull too much because I don't want to be tugging. But this is what it's looking like. Just gonna pan back around without my hands in the way, okay? Yeah, so you see that your girl got some edges. I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful to God for this. Like, what? Your girl got some edges. You see? I didn't have no edges 6 months ago. Do you see this? Girl got some edges. Okay, so yeah, so now I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna show you the back. Yeah, see, girl got some edges. And let's not forget, if you're interested, let's play that game. Find that suture line. Let's see if we can find the suture line, okay? So right here is the area this is the donor area where the hair was removed from, and it goes all the way up to here. It comes up to here on both sides. Okay? So this is the growth that I've achieved so far. Back here. So this is the left side. This is the back, the middle. And then this is the right side. Okay. It comes all the way up here, like I said. Okay. I'm gonna try and split this shorter hair right here. I'm gonna try and split that, and let's see if we can see a suture line. And it may not be completely parted where you can completely 100% see the scalp, because I am using my fingers, okay? Up in here where I split to see if we see anything indicate a suture line. Hey, yeah, so I'm back, and that is what my hair is looking like. That is my 6-month hair transplant update. And I wonder, like, did anybody see the suture line? Like, did you see it? My hair is doing very well. I have absolutely no regrets doing this. If I would say I have any regret, it would literally be like, girl, what took you so long? Why you ain't go ahead and do this a long time ago? Like, that would be my regret if I had any regret at all. And for anybody who is out there and who may be thinking to themselves, oh my God, I have tried every single thing that I could think of, every single thing that I know to try to get my hair to grow back, nothing has worked. Nothing is working. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Well, this video right up here, I share where I went to get my hair transplant done. I share how much I paid. I share my experience and everything like that. And I have other videos where I share my experience with having a hair transplant. So check those out and see if that's an option for you. I have been very transparent and very real about my journey with this, and I have pretty much shared so much about this, like, where there's no questions, you know. Like, if you're feeling some type of way about yourself or about your hair, you know, about your appearance, anything, it doesn't even just have to be your hair. It could be your teeth, it could be, I don't know, anything. There are options that we can go about to improve the things that we feel are less desiring, that we do not want to see, because ultimately I did this for me, not about what somebody else said, not about what somebody else may have thought about me or any of that. This was more so for me, so that I can look in the mirror and love and like what I see. This was something I felt like was literally a dagger in my heart. And I did not want to walk around feeling like that, because that's not who I am. And when you're feeling that way, sometimes what you exude to the world is totally opposite of what you really, really genuinely are like, you know, because you are hurting, you are in pain, and you just don't know how to express that. So if this is something that you are looking into as an option, please do this for yourself. Like, I cannot begin to truly explain through this camera, like, how much better I feel about myself and about my appearance. And not even just like my appearance, just me as a person, period. Like, I feel so much better about myself. And this was such a humbling experience. Nobody wants to have to go through pain or through something that's traumatizing or anything like that. But though, like I said, this felt like a dagger in my heart, and this was something painful for me, like, the great outcome of this is it was such a humbling experience. I have a totally different perspective about it. Yeah, this was one of those things that I didn't want to have to go through, but I'm glad that I did. I was able to grow through this. You know, I'm so thankful to God for that. Talk to you beautiful people later. God bless you, and you have an awesome day.